Hey guys, it's Whimsically Living here, and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to show you how I do my final copy math notes. My math notes I do slightly different from my other subject notes, so I'm going to show you guys how I do them right now. Okay, so first I like to choose a color scheme for the topic's notes. I choose a brush pen, a highlighter, and a Muji pen that are all a similar shade of the color I've chosen for that day's color scheme. I tend to choose cooler colors such as blues and greens since those are my favorite colors. I also use a .38 black Muji pen to write the basic information down. After I have my pens laid out, I take out all my messy class notes. My class notes are extremely messy. I have very messy handwriting when I am rushing to get down all the information. I like to write down my notes multiple times, which is why I have so many different versions of my notes. This is how I learn best, so I write lots of notes over and over and over again to get the information into my brain. This is very time consuming, so I would not do this if you don't have a lot of time, but for me personally, this is how I learn best. Then I take out my White Lines math notebook. This notebook is where I write down all my final copy notes for my math class. I start out by writing the title at the top in calligraphy with my brush pen. I sometimes will outline the title with my black Muji pen if I want to accent it or if I want to cover up any mistakes I did while using my brush pen. Then I look over the class notes and find any definitions or basic information that I want to put at the top of my notes. I will write down the vocabulary words in the colored Muji pen and then write the definitions or information in black to draw attention to the key words. I also write out important equations in my colored Muji pen or with my mild liner highlighters. Also, I sometimes use post-it notes or post-it stickers to highlight the equations since for math equations are a very important part that you need to consider. In addition to writing down equations, I also write down example problems and graphs as well. I don't normally write down all of the example problems for my class notes, but just the most challenging ones or the ones that display the information the best. If there is room on the page or if I want to add something extra to my notes, I like to add stickers and washi tape. I don't do this all the time, just if I have some extra time or if I'm really bored and just want to do something to pass the time. This is the general format I do for all my math notes. However, it changes a little bit depending on the topic of math I'm learning at the time. For example, if I'm learning statistics, then there are going to be more words and vocabulary instead of equations, whereas for Algebra 2, there is more equations and less words. Okay guys, that is it for this week's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then please like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!